Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There is breaking news by now. Chainbase or C token HODLer Airdrops, and it will be on the airdrop page in 5 hours. So this is the announcement. They announced it on X, and if we check the Binance account on the Binance app, if we go to launch pool here, or you can search for it, you can see there is a lot of C. It's still calculating, so you will find the details here later. But in this video, I will show you how to buy it early. Actually, there's the token listed on Binance Alpha, guys. So if we go to Binance Alpha, you can click wallet at the top and go to Alpha. You will see C here, you can click it. And then, as you can see, this is the chart. After the announcement, the price spiked, guys. It's crazy. It's like 100% profit in a quick time, and I will show you how to buy it. So you can just go to Alpha and search for the C token, and you can go to search here, click trade, and you can set a limit order, or you can swipe it. You know, you can swap your token or other tokens like this, and then you can swap to C, so you have it before everyone else, you know, because it will be on Binance Exchange. This is a huge opportunity. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I will create another video about Chainbase after the launch pool patch here is available. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.